Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your Instagram account from your phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. You need to know a thing that is deleting your account from the Instagram app itself can be a little bit tedious, so we'll be performing the tasks from the mobile browser Google Chrome. You can use a preferred browser as you like, and on the search bar click on there and type in delete Instagram account like this and hit enter, and you can see the delete your account Instagram help center available over here on the first result of Google. Click over there, and after that when you land on this page, you can see the delete your Instagram account available over here. Click there, and when you scroll down, you can see instagram.com from a mobile browser or computer. Tap over there, and now you can see the go to delete your account page from mobile browser over here. Tap on the delete your account, and you can see you are directly directed to the directly directed to the account deletion page of Instagram. Now choose your account, something else. Now you can see your account has been already chosen because your my Instagram is logged into my device. If you have not logged into the device which you are going to delete from the Instagram account, then you'll be required to log in now. And now to delete your Instagram account, enter your password, and after that you can see the delete status then button available over here on the downside of the screen. Similarly, there will be your username, and tap on the delete, and it says, are you sure you want to delete your account? Tap on OK, and your Instagram account will be deleted. And for your Instagram account to be deleted permanently, it will take about 30 days, and after 30 days there will be no trace of your account on Instagram server. For now, I'll not be deleting my account. And this is how you delete your Instagram account from your mobile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.